Now third is to find the general expression for all the angles having given tangents. Okay. Now we have tan theta is equal to tan alpha, where theta and alpha are real. Tan theta minus tan alpha is equal to 0. Okay. Sin theta upon cos theta minus sin alpha upon cos alpha is equal to 0. Okay. And sin theta cos alpha minus cos theta sin alpha upon cos theta cos alpha is equal to 0. Sin theta cos alpha minus cos theta sin alpha is equal to 0. Okay. Simple thing for here. Now this becomes sin theta minus alpha is equal to 0. Now what we have done it? We have applied a formula sin A cos B minus cos A sin B is equal to sin A minus B. Okay. Now theta minus alpha is equal to n pi, where n belongs to I. Sin theta is equal to 0, theta is equal to n pi, n belongs to I. Okay. Hence here theta is equal to n pi plus alpha, n belongs to I. Hence theta is equal to n pi plus alpha, n belongs to I, when tan theta is equal to tan alpha.